All right, we are getting in some reactions, and this is the breaking news that is coming in. Bollywood superstars have also reacted to Asaram's verdict. Farhan Akhtar has tweeted, and let me quote what he said in his tweet. Asaram is a child rapist and he has been found guilty. Good. But can people please stop sharing images of him with Prime Minister Modi? Patronizing him before he was exposed to be a pervert is no crime. Let's be fair and give him the benefit of the doubt that he, like us, did not know. Unquote. All right, Farhan Akhtar coming out and tweeting as far as this entire judgment is concerned. Maushmi Singh with us on the broadcast. Maushmi, the fact remains that Asaram and many like him do get a lot of political patronage. We saw that in the case of Ram Rahim. We saw that in the case of Asaram as well. But Farhan Akhtar making a larger point that please don't try and use Prime Minister's speech with Asaram or him patronizing Asaram as a clean sheet to this man or as any collusion. Like millions of his bhakts, nobody knew.
That's right, Ankit. Asaram enjoyed tremendous clout from Atal Bihari Vajpayee to Shivraj Singh Chauhan to Digvijay Singh of the Congress to Kamal Nath. All were his bucks, and the nexus of politics and religion is like an opium that is used in politics and religion to actually wield your clout. And Asaram, for a period of time before things actually turned bad for him and his misdeeds started to come out like skeletons out of the closet, was actually a guru with thousands of followers, and that he used as a magnet to attract more and more followers. But as Farhan pointed out to the fact that at that time nobody knew that he's a child rapist. He is going to carry out such heinous crimes, and now he is actually been convicted. So unless that's what the criminal justice system of India also says, that unless you're proven guilty, you're innocent. So Asaram got the benefit of the doubt for such a long period of time, but no more. Yes, the scales of justice are hanging in balance for once. For once, justice has been delivered. A mighty, high and mighty, demigod, a self-proclaimed, self-styled godman,
right,
finally is biting the dust, is sitting in the courtroom, guilty, proven guilty, and now waiting for a quantum of sentence that will actually prove as a message to the society that enough is enough. Stop abusing religion, stop abusing the faith of millions of people, and for God's sake, stop using Hindu religion to say that he is being victimized. Enough is enough. Please do not hoodwink people into buying all this rubbish.
Mostly, I'm hoping that at least a few people get converted to what you said. Absolutely right. And still there are his supporters, those who are trying to give it a religious color twist, as to say that he is being falsely implicated. They just are keeping a very, very close eye as far as this man is concerned. On the other hand, we earlier in 2015 spoke to the victim, 16-year-old girl whose courage today should be saluted. She has fought on, had the courage to in fact come out with what he did, what this man did to her, and fought on with her family for last 5 years. Listen in.
पहली बार उसने कब आपको एहसास हुआ कि ये आपके साथ कुछ गलत हरकत उसने पहली बार कब की थी बेटा?
पहली बार तभी जोधपुर में ही हुआ था मेरे साथ ऐसा, उससे पहले कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ था कुछ भी।
उसके साथ कुछ लोग और होते थे बेटा या वो अकेले होता था?
उसके साथ काफ़ी लोग होते थे, जैसे कि शिवा भाई वगैरह वगैरह, बहुत सारे लोग होते थे उसके साथ।
तो वो लोग क्या आपको डराते थे, धमकाते थे, क्या कहते थे?
ये उन लोगों ने तो कुछ नहीं कहा मुझे, लेकिन आशाराम ने मुझे धमकी ज़रूर दी थी कि इस बारे में मैं किसी से भी कुछ भी ना कहूँ, नहीं तो वो मेरे पेरेंट्स को नुकसान पहुँचाएगा, उन्हें मरवा देगा।
वो आपको कुछ खाने के लिए भी कुछ चीज़ें देता था?
उसने उस रात को उसने मुझे दूध दिया था पीने के लिए, बाकी और कुछ नहीं।
उसने धमकी सिर्फ मतलब आपके साथ उसने गलत हरकत सिर्फ एक बार की?
जी।
तो फिर आपने अपने पेरेंट्स को कब बताया बेटा?
मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स को घर आने के बाद बताया था।
Right, Dr. Tiwari, if I can, quickly come to you and just sum it up for us very quickly. Wouldn't it be better? We can talk about the social problems and why people follow him and so on and so forth. That's a larger debate. But isn't this the time that the larger Hindu community, as this name has been thrown around, his followers are saying that he is being attacked because he's a Hindu. Shouldn't we also make an example, not let people like him abuse the name of the religion?
Aditya, see, it was actually a connivance between political parties, bureaucracy and law enforcement agencies, those who have been patronizing and outsourcing these self-styled Babas in order to, nurture the clout for lust of power and make their entry to the parliament. So they were being used and they were being parroted also. And in the name, see, the social stigma which I have been talking about, the social injustice which has been facing in this country for decades, which has not been addressed by the legislative, by the corresponding state governments. Now you can see the best example that here he is being convicted, and on the other hand, the same ruling regime, ruling regime is appointing 5 Babas as a minister. Is it not a mockery? Is it not an injustice? Because the poverty is leading these poor children to these asking for bread and butter.
People need to understand who they are voting for and how these politicians are standing with people like Asaram and so on others. And it's across party lines.
Yeah.
You can't blame any political parties across party lines.
It is everything.
I have to take a very quick break. Before I do that, R.K. Gaur. All right, R.K. Gaur, what I wanted to ask of you is that whatever the punishment Asaram has to face, there are others and other cases as well regarding to this case. How will it affect? Because the witnesses in this case were also killed.
See, his conduct, overall conduct would be considered. He has not only influenced the course of investigation, the course of trial, fabricating documents, presenting them before the court, creating melodrama of his health, and then the report of the medical board that he is hale and hearty. All these circumstances would weigh very heavily against Asaram. He is a convict in this case, he is accused in other cases, he is going to face the music and he'll have the blunt of the law, irrespective of the fact.
But does conviction in one case, does it affect other cases as well if you are accused in those cases as well?
Undoubtedly. Okay. That weighs heavily, and that shows the conduct of this man, and that would show that how influential is he.
Right. Mosmi, in how much time can we expect the sentence to come through?
That's right, Ankit. We'll just ask Sharath what's happening inside the court and by what time do we expect that the sentence would come out?
देखिए, अभी जज साहब ने सुनवाई पूरी कर ली है। सुनवाई पूरी करने के बाद वो कोर्ट में चले गए हैं। देखिए, जो आसाराम पे जो सजा, जिन धाराओं की सजा, जो धाराएं लगाई गई हैं, इतनी सारी धाराएं हैं कि उसमें सजा लिखने में भी वक्त लगेगा। 370, 304, 376, पॉक्सो एक्ट, उसमें साजिश करना, दुष्कर्म करना, दुष्कर्म के लिए बंधक बनाना, धमकी देना, अवैध नाबालिग लड़की का व्यापार करना, अवैध रूप से मंगाना कहीं, ये इतनी सारी उसमें धाराएं लगी हुई है कि उसको लिखने में वक्त लगता है। उसमें शायद वक्त लग रहा है, लेकिन
धाराएं पढ़ रहे हैं शरद जी, तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई कुख्यात क्रिमिनल होता है जिसपे इतनी संगीन धाराएं लगती हैं। ट्रैफिकिंग से लेके क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी से लेके डराने धमकाने से लेके इस तरह की हरकतों के चार्जेस जो है उनपे वो गिल्टी प्रूव हुए।
जी, यही बड़ी बात है कि साजिश हो, धमकाने का हो, अश्लील हरकतें करने का हो, ट्रैफिकिंग का हो, सब में सजा है करीब 10 साल की सजा है। ऐसे में माना जा रहा है कि आसाराम को 10 साल से लेकर उम्र कैद की सजा हो सकती है, ऐसा कहा जा रहा है।
Mosmi, we'll have to leave it there and we'll come back to you when the sentencing in fact does take place. Mosmi Singh right outside the Jodhpur prison giving us updates since morning. I have to take a very quick break at this moment. We'll continue with this story, track all the developments and reactions on this Asaram sentencing. It's going to happen soon. We'll get you more on this. Convicted rapist Asaram.
Thanks Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.